Welcome to our factory, where we begin with the freshest fruits: apples, mangoes, watermelon, and more.
Once the fruits are unloaded, they are sorted by type and inspected for quality. Only the best, freshest fruits. Now that the fruits are sorted, it's time to move them onto the conveyor belts, ready for the juicing process.
Before we begin juicing, we make sure every fruit is thoroughly washed to ensure it's clean and free from any.
Our red washing machines use high-pressure water and special cleaning solutions to thoroughly wash the fruits, removing any dirt. After washing, the fruits are carefully inspected to make sure they're spotless and ready for juicing. We check.
Now that the fruits are perfectly clean and ready, they're ready to move on to the next step, the juicing process. The clean fruits will soon.
Look at the juice flowing. Each fruit releases its pure, fresh juice, creating a beautiful blend of vibrant colors.
Our fresh juice is now ready for the next step. 7 different fruit juices are blended together to create a perfect, refreshing juice blend.
Every drop is being carefully monitored to ensure our juice is fresh, pure, and full of flavor.
Our fresh juice is now ready for the next step. 7 different fruit juices are blended together to create a perfect, refreshing juice blend.
Every drop is being carefully monitored to ensure our juice is fresh, pure, and full of flavor.
Our fresh juice is now ready for the next step. 7 different fruit juices are blended together to create a perfect, refreshing juice blend.
Now the juice is ready. The fresh juices are about to be combined into our 7 fruit juice blend, creating the ultimate refreshing drink.
Every step of the juicing process is carefully monitored to ensure the highest quality of juice is produced.
Watch as the juice flows into containers. Every drop of flavor is captured with precision, giving us vibrant, fresh juice from each fruit.
Our fresh juice is now ready for the next step. 7 different fruit juices are blended together to create a perfect, refreshing juice blend.
Now that our fruits are fresh and clean, it's time to begin the juicing process. Our red juicing machines.
Before the juice heads to the shelves, we do a final quality check to ensure everything meets our high standards.
Now the bottles are ready for packing. They are carefully placed into boxes, sealed, and shipped out, bringing the ultimate juice straight to you.
After sealing, it's time for the bottles to be labeled with our signature branding. Red labeling machines apply the final touches.
Once the bottles are filled, we seal them tightly to ensure the juice stays fresh and safe for delivery to you.
Watch as the juice flows perfectly into each bottle. The red machines ensure exactly the right amount is filled every time. Watch as the juice flows perfectly into each bottle. The red machines ensure exactly the right amount is filled every time.
Now it's time for the fresh juice to be bottled. Red filling machines are all set to pour our perfect 7 fruit mix blend into each bottle.